All right, what's up, everyone? To watch this video for Thursday, September 12th, showing you the SPY here, really heading up towards I've got all-time highs. This wouldn't be counting any kind of after-hours trading. Would be 302.23. It's actually trading pretty much right there in after hours tonight. So I think China tariff news or something. Super strong market. The volume's still low. Some really nice trades in chat today. I'm going to get right into the watch list for tomorrow. I don't love this watch list. I'll tell you what, a lot of stocks have made 4, 5, 6 day runs. And so as a day trader, I can't really get on board with, something that's been up 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. I don't call that a good setup going into the next day when I'm just looking for intraday trades. So, I base my intraday trades on the daily charts, stocks that have a good chance, the next session. So I don't have a big list, but we'll see. Anyway, TTOO, nice volume. Very strong close, hitting the 200-day exactly, which we'll see if it has another day in it or not. Fran, this thing's just insane. Let me zoom in a little bit here. I made a few bucks in this one today, but I missed the big move. Anyway, Fran, amazing move today. And so, no, I don't think this should be traded, tomorrow probably. I highly doubt it's going to give any kind of clean, low-risk setup. But I'm going to put it on watch for the next week and a half probably. Look for some nice setups. Pier 1, PIR, I don't know if it's considered a sympathy to Fran. I know Fran is like women's clothing retailer and Pier 1 is not. But Pier 1 is a beaten-up retailer, and a lot of these have been written off, and so I think there's a lot of shorts in all of them. So for that reason, and Pier 1's made a decent move too, that I kind of count it as a sympathy to Fran, if that makes any sense, just in the fact that it's a beaten-up retailer. You do have an inside day today, inside of yesterday's range, so back through 10, you can look and say, well, yesterday's high was 1048, maybe we're going to make a run at the 200-day. I don't know. Pier 1's a thin stock, 454,000 traded today, but I do want to watch it. Any beaten-up retailer, to be honest with you. TRNX, let me zoom in so you can kind of see the move on this one. Had this big move back here, then pulled back, and then let's see, I think it somewhere in here did a reverse split, and it seems to have found support and starting to curl up on a little extra volume, so I do think it's worth watching. I certainly don't love this one. I think this is the old MNGA, which has never really been a great trader, but happened to stumble across the volume doing my scans tonight, so you know what, I'm throwing it on a chart tomorrow. SINT, nothing pretty here, and if you notice, the gaps up usually get slapped right back down. And after hours, it's trading at $177, so it is getting a little after hours volume. If it gaps up tomorrow, the high back here was 186. So if we gap up and then take out this 186 tomorrow, we might get some kind of little mini squeeze. It is a low float stock, so it goes on watch. VT, never been a fan of this one either. But you had a spike back here, then a lower high, and now it's pushing up a little bit, taking out this lower high a couple times. And again, you have the 200-day that might act as a magnet. And then in after hours, it's actually got a little bit of volumes trading close to 160. So maybe a gap play on that one tomorrow. Roku, ROKU, nice bounce today. Getting real close to breaking that 150 to the upside. This little green hammer candle. And by the way, I got a decent little trade in this one this morning. It might continue the bounce tomorrow. It was, up until the last few days, strongest stock in the world, right? So we're going to watch that one. Zscaler, big gap down, but closing strong. I want to look for a follow-through day to the upside tomorrow on that one. ACAD, interesting to me, long over 42 tomorrow, depending. We'll see how it looks on level 2 and all that, if it happens at all. Chewy, CHWI, goes back on bounce, down near support, another red day. No triggers in it today, but it goes back on bounce watch tomorrow. PAYC, another one's just beaten up and looking for a bounce tomorrow, no trades in it today. And then AVTR, one more bounce play. 6, 7, 8 red days in a row. Just recently took out the most recent low here. A lot of times when you have a quick move to take out a recent low on the chart, an extended move, you get a nice snapback bounce. So that's it. That's my list. I'm going to leave it at that. We'll see you all in chat tomorrow. Have a good night.